Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday, November the 25th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the Killer Sudoku. Two puzzles are left: the Tectonic, and I will solve this one, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 7509. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. And I've told you it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in the column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Then. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Here, the same. We have here a 1 and an O. Between those numbers, those digits, we have 2 boxes left, so it should be also O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then, okay. Let me see, double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in the second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Then, yeah, let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 1s in a row in the last column. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Okay. Between the O's comes an 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. And here should be an O and a 1 here. Here also O and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's now. Okay, between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 5 minutes. Well, we sold again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle in this puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now.